Going to try to get the oil pump out and transmission today. Take that off. I just slaved it on overnight. I'll put it somewhere safe-ish out of the way. So what we have, gearbox front face, it's an oil separator, a little seal, a little nylon seal. It's a metering valve that goes in there, and this is where my cracks are. So I've seen a few on the internet, either a full gearbox or just a front face. Apparently someone from the forum said they're all interchangeable to this model anyway, 78 up to 81, 82. I think it's 81 this, but it's registered as an 82, but 500C engines, I don't know. So anyway, we'll get the oil pump off first. I'm struggling to get this nut off under here to get the rotor off. So I'm going to make something at work basically that'll lock this gear to these studs, which will lock the whole thing, just to crack it off. So until that, I'm a bit stuck. Getting the rest of this slot off. But it's okay, no problem. Still other things to do. So first job is to, following the manuals at this point, unscrew this, which is loose. Yes, the other day. No washer, nothing. Remove the two top bolts. This one, this one. I also need to strap this engine. I need a big strap or something. Okay, is that a washer? There is a washer, there's never not. It's weird, I'm not used to not having washers on things. Just washers, you know, they crush and give a good pressure area. Okay, to remove two top bolts. When you unscrew the last bolt, the chain will become slack. Remove it and release the water pump. Right. The chain will become slack. Obviously. Okay. What do we have? We have a longer bolt at the bottom. Oh, longer bolt to the same. Chain will become slack, which it is. Will it become slack enough to get it off? Yes, indeed. And that's it. simple. Okay, there's a little dowel there. So we'll keep that together. I'm not sure you can see this, but it's pretty clean. Don't know what that is. Sludge. Nothing to be alarmed about. There's no bits of metal in, well, there's little specks. That's as bad as it got. With a little bit of copper or something. Okay. Feels okay. So it's basically a strainer, little how do you call it? Like a radial type pump in there. Pressure relief valve. Pressure gets too much, that's pressure out. Yeah. Inspection later. Okay, gearbox. Pop back in for now. It's getting lighter and lighter. Just loosen everything. Okay. Pulse this off first. Okay. Big one, small one. Look at this. Seals split. Let's see if we can maybe do something about that. Try and get a new one. The metal screen's okay. It's the main thing. Doesn't seem to be cracked anywhere. Okay, so 2 long ones, 1 small one. This is something to acknowledge when you take the cover off. This pore pops out sometimes. Okay, so I'm filming this. Yeah, let's remove it anyway. So washer goes on there. String. Get that off. Goes like that. Leave that there, and strapped to the gear shift arm. Okay, let's put you on some wood so you can I think you need to take that off first, obviously. And screw the bolt. Oh, no, you don't actually. But will it come out? Yes. It will. So there's a spring there, a locating thing. Keep note of that. Basically go back in like that, something like that anyway. Spring, keep that attached, it's not going anywhere. Can stay, right. Now, I'm not sure how all this works really. I'd like to know. Anyway, it goes, there's only one place that can go. Why's it off? Right, this is all gonna fall to pieces, I think. That goes in there. It's a gear selector, basically. All this. Yeah. So there's 1, 2. Three, hard. Okay, so locating dowel on there, there's nothing on the back, there's no washer. This is loose, and that's what goes there basically. So let's see if we can just keep that all together. It came off. There we go. Not the end of the world, but there's only one way it can go back. Okay. Back all that, I think. Take this off as well. Okay, nothing there, it's just an insert. Washer, the spring goes in there. Little bush, and the lever, and a washer, and the bolt. I'm bagging up this, so this bit, gear selector arm, left hand, big arm that goes across, and little bit on the end. Called mid. Mid. Gear selector, right hand. Plates, if you can. Gear selector, right hand plates. I don't know. So I think we've got to tap this. These bolts are free. So there's 3 bolts left. I'm going to try and not lose everything when this pops out. There'll be a few washes, spacers, some loose gears when it pops, and I don't want it to get mixed up too much. Okay, 3 bolts there, the same size. Yeah, all the same size. Yeah, so basically it's 4, 2 long ones, 4 similar. So this should come out now. Oh dear. that's coming loose. That's coming loose from there. That's what I didn't want to do. Yeah, the hole's not big enough there. Okay. Fine. There's a washer there. And there's a washer there. Why is there not a washer there? Both look similar. I guess it went on like that. Why is it not on there? Should not be like a spacer there. There's something there, surely. Unless it goes there. Not sure yet. That went. Is it keyed? Absolutely. It goes on. Okay, gearbox. Selector drum. What we call these dog paws. Something like that. Anyway. Not mess about too much. There you go. Gearbox. Keep it this way. Probably gonna get a new one anyway. As I said. It's all cracked. And this plate. Uh, 18-1. There. It's got a bit of weld on it. It's cracked there as well. I don't know. Might be alright, but still, 20 quid. Cool.